Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Goleta, local, and long-distance movers near me. Our expert movers understand how to ensure that your long-distance move does not involve all the stress. No matter how far you need to relocate, our qualified crew of movers will make it so much simpler. Our moving solutions provide you all the best options to individualize your move for your specific requirements. We take care of all the required moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Working with a local California moving company may seem unnecessary initially. However, after a closer look at the primary benefits of hiring a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. You gain the advantage of saving time on your local move, which may be well worth it. Eliminating the heavy lifting also offers yet another benefit you get from using the right local movers. Our moving team makes it very easy to move to your new location without having nearly as much worry. When moving with a local company such as 3 movers, you receive a more efficient process for moving day. Moving locally may be very quick, and our team can handle even a big move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Goleta moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.